35 kgs of type A of milk powder type A, which costs 614 per kg, was mixed with certain amount of another type of milk powder type B, which costs 695 per kg. Then the mixture was sold at 767 per kg and 18% profit was gained. What was the amount of type B milk powder in the mixture? Okay. So I will solve this question like in two different methods. First will be the normal method and another will be the mixture and alligation method. So in first method, if you don't know mixture and alligation method, then first method will be useful. But if you learn mixture and alligation method, this question will be solved in like seconds. Okay, this question will be solved in seconds. So first of all, let's see how we can solve this normally. So first of all, we calculate total CP, right? Total CP is how much? 35 kg cost 614 per kg. All right, plus certain amount. That means we assume this certain amount as X into how much? 695. And this I have already calculated this value. This comes out to be 21490 plus 695x. Okay, so this is total CP. What the question further tells us, then the mixture was sold at 767. That means selling price of mixture, okay, of mixture is 767. Now, and 18% profit was gained. If 18% of profit was gained, that means he must have sold it for 118% of cost price. And mind you, this cost price will be of mixture. We are talking about mixture here. Okay, and this will give us selling price of the mixture, which is 767. And upon calculating, I've already calculated this, so CP of mixture comes out to be 650. Okay, so what we do here is that in order to get total CP, we've got selling price of the cost price of the mixture. We put it here 650. This is per kg price. And how much is the total kgs? There is 35 and there is X. So total kgs are 35 plus X. Now we have got this equation. All right. Upon solving this, like we multiply 650 into 35 plus 650x is equals to this, and like you know how to calculate this, like it's basic stuff. And upon calculating, we get x is equals to 28. Okay, so option B will be the correct one. And as you have seen here, there are a lot of calculations here in this method. But if we go by mixture and alligation method, right? So let's solve it in this method. So there are two mixtures. So first mixture, there are two mixtures, A and B. So first mixture costs 614. Okay, another mixture cost 695. Both are mixed together and the price is 767, right? No, this is not right. Here look, here it is cost price, here it is cost price, and here it is selling price. So we need to first calculate the cost price. So selling price is 767 and profit is 18%. So from here, from the left hand side, we only take this calculation. Okay, we do not take anything else. Okay, only this calculation is required from the left hand side. Okay, from here we get selling price of the mixture, which is 650. All right, so here both are mixed and the price of the mixture becomes 650. Now we do alligation here. So 650 minus 614, we get how much? 36. And from here we get 45. So 9 5s are 9 4s are. So the ratio in which this A and B is mixed is 5:4. But we already know that this type A milk is 35 kg. Milk powder is 35 kg. Okay, so how much will this be? Let's assume this is as X. If these are mixed in 5:4 ratio and 5 into 7 is 35, that means we have to multiply 4 by 7 in order to get this. So 7 into 4 is 28. See, we got the same answer, right? So option B here is the correct one. It is only because I had to explain it to you I took this much time, but if I were in an exam hall, I would have simply used this method and wrote like 614, 695. I did this simple, I would have done this simple calculation, wrote 65 here, then subtracted, found out the ratio, multiplied by 7, and boom, find out the x, which is 28. So option B is the correct one here. So I recommend you to just, if you know, that's great. If you don't know, just learn the mixture and alligation method and you'll be good to go.